Ready?
Oh, yeah.
First of all,
What is that one for?
that right there is throttle stop. So now, no matter if I hit the button, it's not going to go nowhere. See, but I can check everything. So up, down, works. Rudder's working, right and left. Left turn, right turn, forward, backwards. Ready? We have lift off, brother.
So what makes it actually move then? Go.
Right here.
Oh, pushing that up.
And now you feel that breeze, right?
Dude.
Windy, but you see it's rock solid.
Yeah, it ain't even affecting it.
That's the kind of control. So I can just hover it right over the grass. You said, oh, I don't understand how that's cool, because that's the hardest thing to do.
Oh, really?
A big bird like this, now you see, look right here.
Oh my God.
Just hit the fucking button, dude.